I created kalaKo quite a while ago, and the premise of it was pretty simple. You could just come into coolers and copy a URL, bring it in, and click one of these buttons. And it would create an array for you and a little noise thing. And it basically just sped the process up. So this new version of kalaKo, well actually it's been updated a few times, but this new version's got a few other features as well. So I'm just going to quickly run through those. So obviously you can just jump through here and you can pick up whatever colors you want. You just copy URL and you can just paste that in and it's going to create those colors for you. But expanding on that, you can kind of just jump into anywhere and pinch any colors you want. So I can just click on copy less or copy CSS, come in here, and it's going to copy those for us. And this kind of works for all kinds of random text. So if I've got text up here, I can just copy all this. And as long as it's in the clipboard, I can just hit that and it'll paste it. This kind of works for SVGs from Illustrator as well. So if I copy that, and then I can just come in here and paste it, and it's just going to bring that color palette in from Illustrator super quick. One other thing as well, so I spotted in here that they've got this names, and I spotted there was like a little link. I spotted there was like some details here that the names were created by this person. So I kind of incorporated that as well. So if you want to create names for your palette, we can just click on this one next to it. And what that does is it creates names for you. And that could be interesting if you wanted to create something like this or display the colors in any kind of way, if you're presenting a project or whatever. So I've got these colors here, and one new feature that Cavalry has implemented is set gradient from palette, which you can just do like by that, and it populates it for you. And if we just add a background shader, we can pop that on there, and you've got all your multi-point gradients. That's how you can do it now in Cavalry, but the way that I like to do it is using kalaKo, and then it's just created a multi-point gradient, and it's just placed them out and it's just placed them in a line. And you're probably thinking, well, that's not very exciting. So you can actually come in here and just move those around. Whoops, move those around and do what you want. So another cool thing that kalaKo can do is if you have your multi selected, you can just click that button again, and then it's created a duplicator and it's linked the positions. So we can just control all that those gradients there with with the duplicator, which is pretty cool. So I can just pop in here, add a noise, and we've got some little animation without too much effort. Okay, so this is a bit of a, this whole thing is a bit of a prototype, bit of a learning experience for me. So unfortunately, I don't think it's going to work on Mac. In fact, I am pretty sure it probably spits out some quite embarrassing error. But yeah, so if you select your image shader, you can just click on this, and it will give you 5 dominant colors, which is can be quite handy in certain situations. So this last one's a little random. You select your gradient, and then ideally it's for a radial gradient. And then it's like linked this up so you can then come through and animate some gradients that way. Cool. So there's just a few of the updates that I've thrown into kalaKo. Feel free to download it now on Gumroad. Yeah, thanks for your support. Cheers.